G'day, today I'm showcasing you a new superannuation feature within Microkeeper. It is part of our employee onboarding process, which at a lot of businesses still gets done with paperwork. Now, the issues that can arise from that are obvious. There is the frustration of managers who have to continuously chase staff members, but there's also the mistakes that can happen when teams have to interpret handwritten information while digitizing this information. Now in Microkeeper, all of that is a thing of the past because employee onboarding happens in our employee console, which I've got on show here. All that information is digital from the get-go and gets filled in by the employee. The system will do automated checks as well, so that's great. But today I am showcasing you the new superannuation feature. And it's really easy. I'm going to start a super setup, and rather than me having to go off now and figure all of that out myself and joining online or calling around to super funds, I can use a guided automated feature through the QSuper integration. I'm going to let QSuper know I'm happy to be a new QSuper member. All this information would have been recorded at an earlier stage while I was onboarding, and I confirm that those details are correct. I'm going to click next, and I get the offer of getting insurance cover, which I won't need. And then there are a few disclaimers. I can click into those and read all that information. And once I've done so, I can accept those declarations and disclaimers. And once that's done, I submit my application. Now, while I'm submitting this application, Microkeeper is sending that through to QSuper, and QSuper already has let us know that they will be in touch. So that's how quick it is. We have now generated a member number right here, and that all of that information has been saved in Microkeeper, which means that when the employer does the payment, basically all that information is already there, and when the super gets run, everything gets pushed through to the right super account. So it's that easy. So if you've got any questions about this new feature, feel free to contact us via our website and the phone number that you can find there, or just shoot us an email at info@microkeeper.com.au. Thank you.